Hello lovelies, welcome back to another episode. Today I have for you two charming luxury escapes. From Savannah, Georgia to Charlotte, South Carolina. Your travel expert is here to show you why these luxury escapes is going to be your next getaway. Go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump right into it. The cities are known for their beauty, their history, their cuisine, and so much more. Today, I'm going to break down just that and how you can package a multi-day vacation for your family. So jumping into the history, and in Charleston, from a vibrant city to being found in 1670. This is a coastal city, as well as the traditions of accepting all religions. They have the nickname of Holy City. From the plantations of rice and cotton as the main exports, this became the wealthiest city in the colonial America. And several of these plantations are still standing and open to tourists. Let's not forget about Fort Sumter. This is where you can visit the very first shot of the Civil War rank. There is going to be a lot of popular tourists and attractions to immerse yourself into the history. This city is popular for their horse carriages that you're going to see. It's so hard not to fall in love with how the past meets the future in these charming destinations. But Savannah is one of those that is a planned city here in the U.S., which was founded 63 years later after Charleston, founded in 1733. Was held by the British in the Revolutionary War, but was then rebuilt by former slaves who stayed later on and rebuilt it. When you step into Savannah, you're going to feel like you're stepping back into time, where you will find that cotton gin was invented, but this is the most historical, significant Black American city. If you're looking to find some culture and some history, this is someplace for you. You'll be able to go through all the squares and see all of the past histories and markets that sometimes are been restored and are still active today. You can even hear about the famous stories about our ancestors. You'll see massive oak trees that just immerse yourself into a storybook. When you come to Charleston or Savannah, you can immerse yourself in tours that are led by local experts to give you more details and gems that you wouldn't necessarily have if you were to take a trip by yourself. Now, hopping into that food scene for you, this is going to be a blend of Southern tradition and going to be contemporary cuisines. There's going to be no shortage of a private experience when it comes to your families. There's going to be something for everybody here to experience. Whether you're looking to do a downtown food and tour to farm to table, Charleston is going to be something that you could create a multi-day experience with trend-setting restaurants. You could even do, for instance, the pub tours, private cooking classes, and just visit the historic squares in and out of the towns. In Savannah, taste of local food and flavors here and be able to talk with some of the locals, being able to understand why they still have some of the most important Southern food. When you think Southern, think fried fish, think cornbread, collard greens. How many of us love shrimp and grits and fried green tomatoes? All of this was created here in the South and is a staple here in Savannah and Charleston. So now you want to learn about the rich history and the vibrant food life here in Savannah and Charleston. But now I'm going to take you even deeper into what is the best part of both worlds. With a multi-day experience package, I can package together the history, the food, and your adventures all in one place. From Charleston, you could step back in time with captivating journeys and blends with luxury, history, mystery, food, and more. Hop on board to a horse and carriage throughout the city and then join a guided expert for unique walking tours where you'll hear captivating tales of the society, and then you'll be able to partake in some spooky fun courtesy of a ghost and graveyard private experience. Next, you could set sail on a relaxing harbor cruise and enjoy a traditional low country private culinary tour. You can even visit an 18th century plantation here in Charleston. All of this can be packaged here with bossladybio.com/Sierra Bobo. Start your quote now and get your Charleston vacation taken care of. Now, for Savannah, I have the perfect itinerary for you. Hop onto the Buzzard Mobile for a trike of infamous cemetery where you'll hear tales of its spooky stories and you can take part in its beauty. Next, you're going to savor a bite on the yummy culinary tour that will give you a VIP access to some of Savannah's top eateries before they open their doors to the public. But that's not all. You can also enjoy the city's stunning views from deck tops of iconic riverboats, as well as just relaxing and enjoying the ride. As you see, you can experience the best of both when it comes to history, culture, and just experiences. By booking with Boyo's Travel, we guarantee making your itinerary customized and customizable for your journey. If you would like more information on how Boyo's Travel can customize your destination escape to Charleston or Savannah, please give us a call or contact us directly. You guys, I miss Southern hospitality so much, and when I go back home, it's like a taste of warmth weather. You guys, make sure that you are spending those quality times with your friends and family, but also maybe find a friend with the locals. When it comes to private luxury accommodations and amenities that Boyo's Travel can package with your vacation, you can include luxury airport transportation, 5-star accommodations, complimentary restaurant reservations, exclusive experiences, and so much more that can be personalized on your itinerary to help you enhance your vacation. It's time for you and your family to start traveling with luxury. So by using bossladybio.com/Sierra Bobo, register to our agency, you can start becoming a luxury traveler. Get your itineraries planned out and get the ease of travel. If you like this video today, please give it a thumbs up and share it to one of your friends and family who are looking to take a charming southern vacation. I am your travel expert here and I'm ready to help you. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any other episodes like this, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!